How to fix Realme P3 randomly shuts off. So let's start the video. First of all, check your volume and power keys. It can suddenly pressed while using the hard case of your phone. So firstly check your volume and power keys. After that open your settings. In settings scroll down and here you can see the option system and update. Now click on it and then click on schedule power on or off. If you turn on these buttons then turn it off. After turn off these buttons then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and here enter your password to reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.